In this video, I will share with you how to add an online to-do list tool in Hostinger website builder. This is the design of the to-do list that I will share with you how to create it in Hostinger website builder. Don't worry, it's simple to add, just copy and paste this code. Before that, let's test this to-do list. For example, buy kilo orange. Here you can select the priority of this task. Let's give it a medium priority. Hey, go to the dentist. This is a high priority. And as you can see, the color of the task change depending on the priority. Cut here. This is a low priority. As you can see, this to-do list gives you the option to edit the task. Let's adjust 2 kilos instead of just 1 kilo. You can also edit the priority. You can also delete a task and check the task as completed. Now let's see how to add this online to-do list in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is a Hostinger Builder icon. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and now I will create a new page dedicated for this to-do list. Click on add page, then go to new empty page. Let's call it to-do list or online to-do list. Let's let's add a new section that is also empty. And now go to add element from this left side menu and scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this embed code element. Just like that. Click on enter code, delete this existing code, then copy this code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. And then paste it here. Click on embed code. This is my to-do list tool. Let's update my website and view it live. Where is my online to-do list? This is the tool. Let's give it a task, for example, buy bananas. This is a medium priority. Add. Let's say that I want to go to the gym. This is a high priority. The third task will be, for example, repair my sunglasses. This is a high priority. And now from here I can, let's say that I've completed this task. I simply click on this checkbox. You can also edit the task description or task title from here. You can enter a new name and also edit the priority. Here I can also delete a task. And now just from my phone and from this page on my website, my website visitors can complete their tasks daily or use this online to-do list. Now that we've tested this online to-do list, let's SEO optimize this page for Google. To do that, I will give it a big title. For example, here, free online to-do list for free. Same thing for this subtitle. I want to edit it. To do so, just I will go back to this page here. This is the big title, or this subtitle. I will call it, for example, enter your tasks below. This is, as you can see, it was changed here. Now, for the priorities, you can edit them from here. You can edit the priority title and you can give it a new value. For example, let's say you want to have 4 priorities instead of just 3 ones. You can add your 4th priority here, give it a name and also a value. Here you can add this button text from here, which is add button. You can edit the button text. Same thing for this clear all button. It can be edited from here and so on. That's all for how to play with this video. Now let's add a little bit of text below this tool to SEO optimize it. Write me 800 words text for my online to-do list free tool to target the keyword free online to-do list. This is a good subtitles or a title. I will use this title. Edit text. I will center it like that. I will make the text a little bit smaller to keep this to-do list tool above the fold. And now this is my text. Features, best free online tool. They promoted my competitors here, so I will ask avoid promoting competitors. I think they deleted the competitors, so let's copy this text and add the text element here, make it wide, delete the existing one and add the one I got from ChatGPT. Now update my website. I think I need to leave a little bit of free space below the tool because my tasks are shown below. Let's update my website again and let's view my website live. And this is my page. Let's add a new task. Buy a laptop. As you can see, this free space is what these tasks uses. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.